In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a product from the cart in Woocommerce. Whether you're managing your own online store or helping someone else with their e-commerce site, knowing how to edit the cart is an essential skill. Maybe you need to assist a customer, test your store's functionality, or just clean up a cart while making changes to your products. Whatever the reason, this process is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive in step by step so you can master this task with confidence. The first thing you'll need to do is open your Woocommerce website in your preferred browser. Make sure you're on the site where you have administrative access, as you'll need to make some changes in the backend. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account now. Remember, you'll need the appropriate permissions to manage your store. So ensure you're logged into an account with admin privileges. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard of your site. This is where all the behind-the-scenes work happens. Look for the Woocommerce section in the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. When you find it, click on it to expand the options and then select Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your Woocommerce store. From here, you'll see a number of tabs at the top. To proceed, click on the one labeled Advanced. This section is where you'll find more specific settings that control how your Woocommerce store functions, including the cart page setup. Now, under the Advanced tab, look for the Page Setup options. These settings determine which pages are assigned to specific Woocommerce functions like the checkout page, account page, and of course the cart page. Take a moment to confirm which page is assigned as your cart page. You should see it listed here. If you're unsure or it doesn't seem clear, don't worry. Just look for the link next to the cart page assignment that says Edit. Click on this link to open the cart page in the WordPress editor. Once the editor loads, you'll see the content of your cart page. However, we won't be making changes here for now. Instead, locate the View option, which allows you to preview how the cart page looks on the live front end of your site. Click on View, and this will open the cart page in a new tab or window, showing you what your customers see. Now that you're on the live cart page, you'll want to find the product you wish to remove. Scroll through the cart items until you locate the product in question. Next to each product, there's usually an option to remove it from the cart. This is often represented by a small X icon or a remove link. Click on this option. Depending on your Woocommerce theme, you may need to take one extra step. Some themes require you to click an Update Cart button to finalize the removal. If you see this button, make sure to click it after you've selected the product for removal. Once you've done that, double-check to ensure the product has been successfully removed from the cart. If the product still appears, don't panic. Refresh the page to see if the change takes effect. Occasionally, your browser's cache might prevent the update from showing immediately. In that case, clear your browser cache and repeat the process if necessary. And there you have it. Removing a product from the cart in Woocommerce is a simple task, once you know where to look and what steps to follow. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.